In this video, we're going to be analyzing the Bitcoin price together, try to see what's happening right now in the market. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I talk about cryptocurrency. I teach how to trade and invest in it. So if you would like to learn how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. All right, as you may know, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for the past few weeks now. It's just been going down, and it has brought a lot of fear in the market. However, I think this downtrend is going to be ending pretty soon here due to the pattern that has been forming in the chart here in the past couple days. So this is what I want to show you guys. So I noticed here when I was doing my technical analysis, I looked at the 4-hour time frame, and I can see here that Bitcoin is actually forming, or Bitcoin has formed a falling wedge on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see here a falling wedge, yellow lines that I've drew here. So that is a falling wedge on the 4-hour time frame, and a falling wedge is actually a bullish pattern, so which means that eventually we can expect the price to break out of this falling wedge and start heading back up. This is the expectation of a falling wedge, and we can see here that Bitcoin is actually heading towards the end of that falling wedge. So eventually, I believe in the next coming days or so, or it could even be today, Bitcoin is actually going to break out of this falling wedge. And once it breaks out of that falling wedge, this is when you want to place your longs. Okay, you want to place your longs once you see that Bitcoin has broken out of this falling wedge here, right? And wait before you place your longs though, just wait for confirmation. Wait for a 4-hour candle to close outside of this falling wedge. Once it closes outside of it, then you can confidently place your longs. Okay, and the target out of this falling wedge is like around, it will be around 52k, 53k. Okay, this is where the next major resistance is, like around 52.5, 53k. So if you were to enter a long position, once Bitcoin breaks out of this falling wedge, then I would recommend that you take your profit like around 52.5k or 53k. So the next big resistance is like around 52.5, 53k. Once Bitcoin breaks out of this resistance, then it needs to also break this horizontal. It needs to also break this horizontal resistance here, and then if it does that, then we can see Bitcoin heading towards the all-time high and possibly past that as well. So I've zoomed out a little bit more so that you can see the vertical resistance which Bitcoin has to break once it breaks out of this falling wedge right here. So this is it here, this long pink line here. This is the vertical resistance currently that Bitcoin is outside of. So it has two major resistance right now. This one here at 52.5, 53k, and then once it breaks that also, and then it has to break this vertical resistance as well, and then we can see Bitcoin going back up. Now once this happens, guys, we're going to enter altcoin seasons, and this is amazing because a lot of altcoins are going to go up in price by a lot. It's getting very close, so right now it's a good time to buy a lot of altcoins because they're very cheap right now. So yeah, you guys just fill your bags with good altcoins. I think I'm gonna make a video on altcoins that I would recommend that you guys get that will increase in value during this altcoin season, so be sure to check out that video as well. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.